5 pairs of prime
Mom,
numbers less than, please, when I'm doing something, please don't interrupt me. I will give you sufficient time. 5 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5 are, so I'm writing 2 comma 3. This is one pair. Yes, Samar. Now you want to say anything? Ahana?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can Hriday tell?
So, Hirday, why you are speaking in between? If I have given chance to Samarth,
Ma'am,
what I told you, I will give you chance. Yes, Samarth.
ma'am, can we write the numbers which are less than 20, but the sum of them is more than 20?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ahana, you want to add something? Say now.
Yes, I want to add 3 and 7.
3 and 7. So you are correct. 3 and 7 are both prime number. If I add them, they are 10 and it is divisible by 5. Hirday.
Ma'am, can Tanmay?
Tanmay, I have given chance to Hirday. Just raise your hand. I am looking at my participants closely.
Ma'am, it can be 13 plus 7 and the sum will be 20, which is divisible by 5.
13 plus 7 and their sum is 20 divisible by 5. Yes. Tanmay.
Ma'am, I have one more. The 5 pairs of prime number less than 20, those sum is divisible by 5 are 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 2 plus 13 is equal to 15, 3 plus 17 is equal to 20, 7 plus 13 is equal to 20, 19 plus 11 is equal to 30. Ma'am, I have one more.
19 plus 11 I have taken from your side. So 19 plus 11 is how much? 30. Yes, Manan. Which is another one? Four participants has raised their hand. So this is Ahana. What do you say? Which is another?
I have not answered.
Okay, Samarth.
Ma'am, 13 plus 2 is equal to 15.
13 plus 2. So you
Ma'am,
are correct.
Ma'am, should Manan speak now?
Yeah,
Ma'am, 5 plus 5.
5 plus 5. That is another pair. So we can have so many. See on the screen, we have already covered more than 5. Okay, so let's move to next
Ma'am, on
question.
which web you do search this?
Speak again.
On which website you do this work like this?
This is my laptop on which I am doing.
No. Which like Google or something?
No, it is not Google. These are PDF. Okay, so let's move to question number 12. So question number.
Can A Hirday?
No, just hold on. Hold on, Hirday, Tanmay. I'm giving you 2 or 3 minutes to complete 12th question in your copy. Then we will discuss one by one. Please complete it. And if it is completed, then raise your hand. That, ma'am, I have finished all F, A to F.
Ma'am, this can be as practice questions.
Yeah, it can come under the practice questions. Okay, I can give you mark. ठीक है, जिससे भी पूछूंगी अगर सही होगा, then he will get the mark.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, not bonus.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Not
No
bonus,
ma'am.
yes,
general.
ma'am, written.
Okay, Tanmay, A part is for you. A
A part
number
for me.
which has only two factors is called
Prime number.
prime number. So Tanmay got 1 mark. Hirday, B part is for you. A number which has more than two factors is called a,
Consecutive number.
speak again Hirday.
Ma'am, it's consecutive number.
Consecutive number is wrong.
Ma'am, Tanmay.
It is
Composite.
composite number.
Yes, ma'am, I want to say that, but I
Uh-huh. Slip of
responded.
tongue. Slip of tongue. I understand.
Ma'am, was not correct?
0 marks for consecutive. The correct word is composite.
Even Tanmay.
No, Tanmay, you have already got one part. Now it is for Manan. One is neither dash.
One is neither a prime number nor a composite number.
One is neither prime nor composite. So Manan also got 1 mark. D is for Ahana. The smallest prime number is 2 is correct. E is for Samarth. The smallest composite number is
Ma'am, 4.
4. It is correct. F is
That's
for
me.
Hirday. Hirday. The smallest even number is
Ma'am, Tanmay.
I'm giving chance to Hirday. Tanmay,
Yes,
please.
ma'am, it's 2.
Okay, Tanmay, you tell.
Yes, ma'am, correct. 2.
Samarth,
0.
Manan,
Ma'am, 4, I think.
Ahana.
2.
The smallest even number. The smallest even number is 0.
Ma'am, so I get the extra marks?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is 2.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
it's 2.
Ma'am, it's 2.
no, 2 is a prime number, but it is also counted as even.
And the smallest even
I-
number is 2.
I was just confused in that 2 is a prime number, so why we conclude in even? So just click out of my mind.
But 0 is also even number, so the answer should
Yeah,
be
that's what I'm saying. I was not. No, I was just confused.
Ma'am, I got 2 marks.
Ma'am, I got 5 marks out of 6.
Excuse me, we are only counting the marks for which part ma'am asked us.
Okay, so everyone except Hirday got 1 mark and I should say Samarth got 2 marks. So Samarth got 2 marks for smallest even number is 0. And we are talking about whole number. So this question is little bit tricky. So if I ask about the smallest even number which is whole, then it is 0, and the smallest even number which is natural, then it can be 2. Okay, but generally you should write 0 because we are talking about whole number. So this is all about, so let's have some practice sum for today.
Ma'am, I will send you in chat. After that, I will write it.
Okay, so I'm just writing the questions.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am, answer in the chat.
It's your choice. You can put the answer in the chat box. Whatever you feel like. Yes, is there any other doubts you want to ask?
Ma'am, your screen is frozen.
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am is not writing.
Yes, ma'am, now it is okay.
Ma'am was not writing. Ma'am, what you have written?
Yes,
Ex-
ma'am.
Express 24 as sum of twin prime number. This is first question. Express 63 as sum of 3 odd prime
First send.
number.
Mom, send.
Okay, I'm checking for Manan and
Samarth, please in
न-
person.
न- आपका गलत हो गया है अच्छा अच्छा मनन मनन ठीक है आपने 1 तो मतलब क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिखा है.
Yeah.
Both of you are correct and I got it from both of you. It is correct. Very good. I'm happy. So Manan got first. Speed of Manan I got. Yes, Hirday, it is correct. Don't send to everyone, Hirday. Ahana, it is correct. So I'm waiting for Tanmay's reply. Rest
I'm just typing the question. I mean answer.
everyone has done it correct so far. Arey wah. Very good, Tanmay. It is correct.
Mom, I sent the third part, second part also.
Okay, I'm just going through. No, that is incorrect, Samarth.
Send it privately to ma'am.
That is incorrect and send it
Mom, why is
privately.
it correct?
It is incorrect, Samarth. Very good, Ahana. So I got the answer. Ahana got bonus for second question.
I have sent you the second, please check.
Manan, it is correct. Very good.
Okay.
So Manan got bonus for first. Ahana got bonus for second. So bonus marks is 2. So Manan, you write down your score. Your score is 4. Ahana, your score is 4. And I'm waiting for Tanmay, Samarth and Hirday to give me answer for second one.
Ma'am, Samarth and Hriday say sending in everyone.
That is mistake. They will not repeat it.
I'm just sending.
Okay, take your time.
Ma'am, I noted the answers also.
It is correct, Tanmay, for you also. So you got 2 marks, Tanmay.
Sure.
Mom, can you see mine?
Yes, it is correct, Samarth. You also got 2 marks.
Okay, mom.
I'm waiting for Hirday's second reply.
Mom, do we have to count our previous marks also, in which
Yeah.
I got the bonus?
Yeah,
Mom, so I got 4 marks.
yes.
Ma'am, I
Hirday,
think he didn't got the bonus.
Hirday, it is correct.
Ma'am, he didn't got the
Ma'am,
bonus.
I sent in message both answer.
Ma'am, so how he got 4 marks, he didn't got the bonus, Samarth?
Wo last question, fill up the blanks we are discussing, in which I think Manan and Tanmay,
I scored 7.
you got 1 mark there, and right
Ma'am,
now
I
you got
2.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got 2 marks.
Ma'am, we just counting that the answer we spoke or the answers we have wrote also, because I've got, I think, 5 marks out of 6.
okay. I'm just writing it on with my hand. Ahana, Manan, Tanmay, Hirday, Samarth. So in the first fill up one, in the next one, so this is your score till now. Everyone can write it, and if anyone say there is some error, you can just register it to me if you find any error in your score.
Ma'am, in which I got 1.
Fill in the blanks.
Why, ma'am?
Fill in the blanks.
Oh, that 2-1.
You got 2 marks in this question. 1 mark for question number 1, 1 mark for question number 2, and 1 mark you got in the fill in the blanks. Have you understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am writing the next question.
Ma'am, send all.
I am just checking it up, Samarth.
Manan sent.
Samarth, first is wrong.
Ma'am,
First is wrong. Samarth. Manan, first is right.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, factor means the one that divides the number.
I am asking about common factor, not factor. Please read the question.
Second also sent.
Second is right for both Samarth and Manan.
Ma'am, who got the bonus?
Ahana first right. Hirday first right. Bonus is obtained by first question. Bonus is obtained by Manan, and second question bonus is obtained by Samarth.
Ma'am, can you give few minutes to
Ma'am, I
write
have a
question
doubt.
A?
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Samarth.
Ma'am, why isn't 2 a common factor of 20 and 28?
Common
Because
factor.
2 can divide both 20 and 28.
Ma'am, I think we should discuss about then after everyone sends the answer.
Ma'am, give me 2 minutes. I am sharing question 1.
Ahana's B part is correct.
Ma'am, can you please write the scores?
Okay, Samarth, you are correct. Sorry, my mistake, Samarth.
Ma'am, so I would get the bonus
Yeah,
for
you
now.
got the bonus. You got the bonus. Very good. I agree with you.
Ma'am, how much marks I got?
Hold on. Let Tanmay also finish. Tanmay has written it very well. Good, Tanmay.
Ma'am, who got the bonus for second question?
So first and second, both bonus went to Samarth.
2 marks or 4 marks?
Two marks मिला है. First question में 2 bonus, second question में 2 bonus. So how much it becomes for him?
Ma'am, 8.
One mark का है question और 2 bonus.
6.
So
6.
Ma'am, 6.
Hirday correct. So everyone's score now I am writing. So 6, Manan 2, Tanmay 2, Ahana 2, Hirday 2. Everyone has done it correctly. So let me total.
I am writing question 2.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can we do one more practice question, please?
Yes. So let Tanmay also finish. Tanmay is left with B part.
Ma'am, I also wrote the answer.
Mom,
Yes, Tanmay, correct. Yes, Samarth.
mom, mom, the next question is for 1 marks only.
Only 1 mark.
Okay, mom, and bonus 2 marks.
Yeah,
And mom, this is the last question.
yeah.
Okay, mom.
You have to write either true, either false.
Mom, send.
What have you written? Two consecutive number that can't be.
Both prime.
Mom, send by Samit.
Okay, Samarth. That is that is wrong. No
Ma'am,
problem.
Manan sent.
Manan, that is right.
Ma'am, do I got the bonus?
Yeah, you got the bonus.
Ma'am, I write factor, actor. Forgot to
Ahana
written
wrong.
Mom, Samit, send.
अब फिर तो वो तो मैंने wrong बता दिया तो दूसरा तो सही हो गई. तो I am not giving you marks.
Okay,
ahana
mom.
पहले wrong हो गया, अब दूसरा नहीं मैं consider करूंगी. I am waiting only for Hriday and Tanmay. And I am considering they don't know the answer, so I am giving them 0.
Mom,
No, ma'am, I know the answer. I'm just typing.
So don't type it much. Only T or F.
Tapping, he said.
mom,
What 2 means? Hriday? I don't understand 2. Either T or either F. You want to say true? True को 2 लिखते हो क्या?
By mistake.
And तन्मय ये आपने factors क्यों भेज दिए?
Oh my God.
Hriday, it is wrong.
Ma'am, there are common factors written.
आप
हमें
कौन सा
just-
क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो तन्मय?
Oh my
Ma'am,
God.
20 and 28.
कहाँ लिखा है 20 और 28?
Ma'am, that find the common factor of.
कितनी बार करोगे वो?
Oh, sorry.
Oh my God.
चलो, okay, let me discuss the answer and give the marks. Are you doing it?
excuse me, mom.
Yes, Tanmay. Yes,
Tanmay
Samar.
Ma'am. Mom, it is true.
2 consecutive numbers can't be both prime. Why it is true, Samarth? Tell.
Yes, mom, I got. Mom, it is all not always considerable. So we
See-
would write true.
2 consecutive number can't be both prime. So this is false. Can't be both prime. See, 2 and 3 are consecutive prime number.
Yeah, it is saying can't be both prime. So we have
Mom,
to
but
write.
it is all not always.
Oh my
It
God.
is not always.
Samar, that is the question only. That 2 consecutive cannot be both prime. It can be.
It can be
Okay.
both prime. Understand where you went wrong.
Mom.
See, it can be both prime. It can be both are non-prime, meaning composite. So, do you understand why I have?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, still it is a draw because Manan has 7 plus 3, 10.
That spirit, I like it. Very good. So the statement or answer is false.
Yes, ma'am.
And let me
False.
conclude with the answer.
Hmm.
So 1 mark to Ahana.
And when you remember that we
False.
did this
Sorry,
in our class.
sorry. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. This is 0. So this is 10. This is 7. This is 6. this is 4, this is 10. So tie between Samarth and Manan. Okay, let's play for tomorrow. Chalo,
Ma'am,
ending the
we
class.
did this question in our today's maths class.
Okay, okay. Good. Okay, bachcho.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.